first what we did and describe how we did it. So first we do sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back on with close position. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Sugar push in close position. Following weight on anchor. And finishing by a turn on the left. Yeah? So the first thing we talked about was the whip. Make sure for 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the leader. May not be here on 4, or not there on 4. Make sure for your triple, you stand there yourself for 3, 4. So you can control where you're striking on 4. If you're striking too far, for 3, and you can be flat on your 4. That makes sense? One more time. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When I do my anchor at the end, I'm going to stay on the left side of the slot, not the front of her. And I'm going to follow her as she's pulling me. From here, sugar push. Remember, my dominant hand is the right, but I have the left as a support. Do not hesitate to use the left hand if you don't feel enough connection on your right hand as a leader.
Followers, your goal here is to keep a hug on the leader's arm. So I want to make sure my bicep is connected to my leader and I can have my hand in front of their arm or shoulder.
Good. So from here, as I do my sugar push now, I'm going to rotate that direction and strike forward on 3. For 1, collect on 2, compress, strike forward on 3. I'm going to tap and go for 4, 5, and 6. One more time. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
We talked about the followers connecting through rotation, especially when you have a dominant hand. You're going to connect away, typically, from the connection point. So in this closed position sugar push, I'm turning slightly to my right and trying to connect my left pec to my right. So we also talked about weight transfer on 3 and 4, making sure it's partial, full, delayed, full. 1, 2, partial, full, delayed, full. Triple squat. Awesome. Good job, guys. Thank you so much.